You won't believe what just landed in the world of gaming laptops. We're talking about the ASUS ROG Strix G16 gaming laptop. This powerhouse of a device is about to blow your mind with its sheer level of performance, features, and value. But before we dive in, let me ask you, are you ready for a gaming laptop that redefines the boundaries of what's possible on a mobile platform? Now, if you're anything like me, you're probably curious about what makes this laptop tick. Let me tell you, it's the high-level performance, powered by Windows 11 Home, an Intel Core i7 processor 14650HX, and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 laptop GPU that features the NVIDIA Blackwell architecture and comes with DLSS 4 and Max-Q technologies. These aren't just buzzwords, they're the real deal. They mean you'll get to experience smooth, lag-free gaming, even at the highest settings. But what really sets the ASUS ROG Strix G16 apart is its ability to multitask seamlessly. With 16 gigabytes of DDR5-5600 MHz memory, you can have multiple applications open at the same time without any slowdown. And with 1 terabyte of PCIe Gen 4 SSD, you'll have more than enough space to store all your games, programs, and files. This means you can play, work, and stream without ever having to worry about running out of resources. Now, let's talk about the display. We're looking at a stunning 165Hz FHD Plus display that's perfect for gaming. With its smooth visuals and high refresh rate, you'll be immersed in the action like never before. And with support for NVIDIA G-Sync, you'll experience a tear-free gaming experience that will leave you breathless. But what about the competition? Has ASUS managed to outdo the likes of Razer, MSI, and Alienware? In my opinion, the answer is a resounding yes. The ASUS ROG Strix G16 offers more features, better performance, and a more competitive price point than any of its competitors. It's the perfect choice for gamers who want it all without breaking the bank. In my time with the ASUS ROG Strix G16, I was blown away by its performance, features, and value. It's a gaming laptop that truly has something for everyone, whether you're a hardcore gamer or just starting out. And with its compact design and lightweight build, it's perfect for taking on the go. So what's the verdict? In my opinion, the ASUS ROG Strix G16 gaming laptop is a must-have for any serious gamer. It's a device that will change the way you game, offering a level of performance and features that's unparalleled in the market. Trust me, you won't regret taking the plunge. But before you make up your mind, let me give you one final reason to consider the ASUS ROG Strix G16. It's the support. With a community that's dedicated to gaming and a brand that's committed to innovation, you'll never be left out in the cold. You'll get access to the latest drivers, software updates, and even exclusive deals on games and merchandise. In conclusion, the ASUS ROG Strix G16 gaming laptop is a game changer. It's a device that's redefining the boundaries of what's possible in the world of gaming laptops. With its high-level performance, seamless multitasking, stunning display, and competitive price point, it's the perfect choice for gamers who want it all. Trust me, you won't regret taking the plunge. The ASUS ROG Strix G16 is the future of gaming, and it's here today.